Are you ready?
Huh? What?
Dare we try it in real time?
We try what?
To start the motor.
Did you got it?
Yes.
Oh, of course.
Motor works great. Everything works great, but after you run it for a while, it vapor locks out the tank. It starts sucking the tank in, and no matter what you've got twisted one way or another, it's still doing it. And once it does it, then you got a damn motor that won't restart and it floods. I need an automatic start.
In reference to this part.
Yeah. Doesn't even exist. All right. This is good. Let's go. That's it.
Okay. Remind me before.
Is that Richard?
Where? Hey, Jacques too. Yeah.
Nice.
What are you doing?
What's happening?
Nothing much. Just.
Trying to make the donuts, you know.
Trying to make the donut.
Trying to make the donuts.
See this bogusness right here?
Yeah.
So what is this?
This is the problem. Because none of the new ones have this.
I don't have
You don't have it either.
Yeah.
My next solution, take it out. Doesn't need it. And it's part of the problem.
We are crossing fingers and thinking this is the only one
I'm
problem.
not crossing fingers. This is an educated...
It is a hypothesis. It is an
No,
educated
no,
guess.
what I'm saying,
Yes.
no. It is a problem. But we hope that it is the only one problem. But we had to...
I'm going to probably assure you that that's the problem. I would take it off.
I am. I cut this part off. And now I'm going to put this part back on here and just bypass it. So, tally-ho and... Do you need your gas line to be this long?
Yes, please. Is everything okay?
I'm just trying to get it as tight as I can without putting a screwdriver through my hand. I think. Are you ready?
Huh? What?
Dare we try it in real time?
We try what?
To start the motor.
Did you got it?
Yes.
Oh, of course.
Here we go.
Okay.
Dear Lord, please assist. Goes all the way down. So, okay, okay.
Put it on what?
It's on slow and start. Your choke is out. It should be in neutral. Here's your.
How do it?
Did you try
No.
what was it? 2 times?
That's it.
That's it.
Go do it.
You said go do it. I'm scared.
Oh my God! Wow! All these years!
One pull!
What pull?
Oh my God! I am floored. That's crazy. And we need to deal with this vibration while we're here.
Oh, we can do everything. We can do
Oh my
You know what? Just let
God!
it run for a second and turn it on.
It has some shims. Just give me one. Oh no, not for that. Watch out! I'm gonna stop that rattle.
It is one crank, half birth, right?
It was super stupid easy.
You know it's not that strong, right?
Like, I did not I was kind of, yeah.
Yesterday when I was watching,
It was really
when I was
easy.
watching Richard, I said, this is magic. It's not going to happen. This motor is not going to work. We want to tour for an hour. I don't care. You know what I mean?
Check that out. I gotta do the other side.
That's no problem. I can only do everything I do. My back on the table. I said, tomorrow we'll get in water, come back, would you say no?
Huh?
I said, tomorrow we'll get in water, and you come back, you said no?
No, I didn't hear you.
And I don't think you need to prime it and only put it on, just put it on slow. On start and you want to
Take a bow.
What?
Just need it for the gate.
Yeah, I swear to God, what do we need it for?
I guess I better get my lights together. We're still messy.
Oh,
I agree, Delilah. We're almost there. It's all working now. What do you think?
I think perfect. Excellent.
Well, not everything, but the majority is put back away, and all things necessary are functioning.
Baby?